I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to walk you through how to install and use Loom. So first you're going to want to go to loom.com and select Get Loom for free. There's a button here and at the top as well. You have the option to sign up with Google, Slack, an email address, or you can log in if you already have an account. So I'm just going to type in my name, my email, and create a password. Once my account is created, I have the option to download Loom for PC. And then finish installing. Go ahead and pause the video while Loom installs on your PC. Okay, now it's going to prompt me to log in, and I'm going to choose the same option that I did when I signed up for Loom, and I selected email, so I'm going to go ahead and type my email in. And there we go, here is the Loom application. By default, it's selected to record the screen, what you view on your computer, and the camera, which would be your forward-facing camera on your computer. Some people don't have a camera or a microphone, and that's totally fine. You can just record your screen and walk through the steps to reproduce an issue, and then you can always write out the steps when you submit your support requests. So once I'm ready to record, I can hit start recording. Once I'm ready to stop recording, I can click on here or use Control plus Shift plus L. And there's the countdown. And then Loom will start recording. So once you are recording, go ahead and navigate to your Savance Enterprise application. Walk through your steps to reproduce your issue. And when you're done recording, go ahead and click the button. And that's it. Your video is immediately uploaded, and you have a link that you can copy and then paste when you submit a support request. So you can email support@savanceenterprise.com and you can paste in the link to your Loom video. Or you can go to support.savance.com and submit a ticket there. Or when you're in the application, you can click Help and Savance Help Desk. And that's it. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out.